kind of a general strategy to use when paraphrasing, and I'm going to talk about this kind of in depth, but I want to walk through these different parts of the strategy. Reading, thinking about the purpose, looking away, imagining and writing, and then checking and citing. First, you have to read the information, right? You can't paraphrase until you read the material, and you can't just read it, but you actually have to really understand the meaning of it. So sometimes this means reading it and rereading it and rereading it. I know there was a work that I was working on for a residency, an example for a residency session that I was working on, and I had to read the passage multiple times in order to come up with my own paraphrase because I didn't understand it the first time that I read it. It wasn't something in my field of study. It was something that I hadn't read about, a topic that I hadn't read about in a long time. So you may have to read it multiple times in order to understand the meaning. And then you want to think about, what will you do with this evidence? Oftentimes it helps to even go into your reading with a purpose. So if you have a thesis statement that you want to support, think about that thesis statement before you even start reading. You could probably even alternate these steps. Think about how you want to use this information, and then think about what will you do with this evidence. Then look away. If it's something you're reading, put the book down. If it's something on the computer, close your computer, take out a notepad and write it handwritten somewhere else. But look away so that you have to really think about how you would explain that information to someone who maybe isn't familiar with the content. So imagine that you're explaining it to your coworker or maybe even your child. Sometimes it's helpful to really think about things in a simple way because we can always go back and edit our language choices and make things more formal. But if we can explain a complex topic in a very simple way, that means you really understand it. And then write down that explanation on the page, wherever it is that you're not looking at the original source. If you're not sure about paraphrasing and you're a little uncomfortable, you can always double check your wording against the original source. So take your paraphrase, take the original source, look at them side by side. Do they align? Are there similar words that are used? Are there the same words that are used? Do you use any of the same sentence structure? And revise your paraphrase. You want to be sure to really double check that. And then you also want to, again, cite that source. So always be sure to cite your sources when you're paraphrasing. Another way that I like to look at it is this idea of breathing. And for those of you that maybe have attended a residency session with me, you've probably heard me use this analogy before. But the analogy of breathing goes like this. I like to think of it. And if any of you are a biology teacher, I apologize. I'm simplifying this immensely. but when we breathe in oxygen, right? We exhale carbon dioxide. We're breathing in a gas and we're exhaling a gas. So as we breathe it in and as we exhale it, it's always it's always a gas. It stays a gas at the same time. But it comes in as oxygen and it goes out as carbon dioxide. And something happens in the middle that changes it in a little bit. It still is a gas. It keeps that core component, but something changes in the middle. And that's exactly what happens with paraphrasing. You're taking in information and you're re-articulating that information, but something happens in the middle that changes it a little bit. And what happens is you begin to look at the information from your worldview, from your experience. You begin to compare it to other articles that you've read, other sources that you've been looking at. And so you have all of this information, all of these different parts, moving parts that kind of come together and shape the way that you're going to re-articulate that information. I don't know if it's helpful for you. It's helpful for me to kind of think about it in a more concrete way. And so that idea of breathing often helps me to kind of make paraphrasing a little bit less of a mystery.